A tiny height change can be the difference between a clean cut and a ruined edge. A good router lift gives you that fine control right from above the table. So in this video, I'll go over the best router lifts and help you see what makes each one stand out. These picks come in different price ranges, and each one can fit a different kind of setup. So stick around to see which one matches your needs best. The product links are in the description, and if this video helps, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Let's start with the first pick. Number 6, Wood Router Lift. For number 6, this pick is a good fit if you want fine height control without going into a higher price bracket. Its pricing is clearly on the budget side, which makes it appealing for a smaller shop, a first router table setup, or anyone trying to keep costs low. What stands out here is the aluminum alloy build. It is made to resist scratches, and at 7.4 pounds, it has a steady feel without being huge. The insert plate measures 11.3 by 11.3 inches, with a height of 7.4 inches, so it should fit many compact table setups. For adjustment, it can move in steps as small as 1/64th of an inch. That matters when you need cleaner passes and better repeat cuts. It comes in two versions, one for 65mm motors and one for 69mm motors, so measuring your router before buying is a must. The main drawback is the setup guidance. Some buyers say the instructions were missing, and a few mention fit issues with certain routers. Still, for budget-friendly precision, this one makes sense if your router matches and you do not mind taking extra care during installation. Number 5, O-School RTS-05. At number 5, this one feels more like a step-up pick without jumping into premium territory. The price lands in the lower mid-range, so it makes sense for someone who wants better control, cleaner setup, and more table features than a basic lift. The plate is made from CNC machined aluminum with a 3/8-inch thickness, and it has an orange plate with black insert rings. It weighs 11.43 pounds, so it has a heavier planted feel. It works with 3.5-inch motor bodies, including many Porter Cable, DeWalt, Bosch, Craftsman, and Skill routers. Just make sure your router body is within 1/16th of an inch of that size. For height control, the 3-inch travel range is helpful since it can let you change bits without pulling the router out. Each full crank turn changes the height by about 0.05 inches, and the index ring helps with very fine changes down to 1/1000th of an inch. The 5 insert rings are a nice bonus for different bit sizes. A few buyers mention set screws or table fit tweaks, so measure first. For the right setup, this is a strong value pick. Number 4, SpeedTool Router Lift Kit. At number 4, this option is for viewers who want wider router support and a more complete table setup. The cost is in the mid-range, so it asks more than the cheaper picks, yet it brings a heavier build, more travel, and extra setup parts. The big point here is compatibility. It can hold router bodies from 2.56 inches to 4.21 inches, or 65 to 107 millimeters. That covers many 1.25 HP, 2.25 HP, and 3.25 HP routers. The plate is 3/8 of an inch thick, and it uses a 9 1/4 by 11 3/4 inch size, which is common for many router tables. For height control, the lift range goes up to 4.21 inches. The 20 TPI screw and zeroing index ring help with tiny changes down to 1/1000th of an inch. It comes with 3 magnetic insert rings, templates, leveling screws, a guide pin, and tools for setup. One small concern is that the manual may feel light for some users. Still, the included templates help a lot, and this is a smart pick for broader router fit and fine table control. Number 3, SawStop RT-LFT. Moving into number 3, this pick is built for people who care most about stable height changes and a secure lock. It is a premium choice, so the price makes the most sense for a serious shop or for someone already building around a higher-end router table. The 4-post lift system is the main feature here. The posts are chain synchronized, which helps the router rise evenly instead of leaning to one side. That can make small height changes feel more controlled, especially during repeat cuts. It has a positive locking system too, so the router is held in place once the height is set. Compatibility is good, but you still need to check the details before buying. It accepts router motors from 3.25 inches up to 4.25 inches in diameter, and it includes reducer collars for 3.25 and 3.5-inch motors. Plunge routers are not compatible, and the router handles need to come off for installation. The plate size is 9.25 by 11.75 inches, and it fits SawStop router tables best. The 4-post design and secure locking are the real reasons to consider it. Number 2. Craig PRS 5000. For number 2, this pick is a cleaner choice for viewers who want smooth above-table control from a well-known router table brand. Its pricing is mid-range, so it sits below the premium picks, but still feels aimed at people who want a serious upgrade. The plate is 3/8 of an inch thick and measures 9 1/4 by 11 3/4 inches. It uses hard anodized aluminum, along with steel and polymer parts, and the full unit weighs 10.75 pounds. It fits Craig router tables and many other tables, so it has good setup flexibility. Adjustment is one of the main reasons it ranks this high. The crank moves the bit 1/16 of an inch per full turn, with a micro-adjust scale marked down to 1/1000 of an inch. It can also make height changes as small as 1/64 of an inch. The bearing-guided carriage helps keep the motion smooth, and the lockable carriage helps hold the setting for repeat cuts. It works with more than 20 popular router models, but some fits can be tight, so check the motor size first. For a clean mid-range setup, this is one of the easier picks to recommend. Number 1. Jesam Mast-R-Lift 2. Taking the top spot, this pick is for someone who wants a high-end lift with smooth control, wide fixed-base router support, and a strong locking setup. It is a premium option, so the price is aimed at woodworkers who care more about long-term accuracy than keeping the setup cheap. The plate is 3/8 of an inch thick and measures 9 1/4 by 11 3/4 inches. It is made from hard anodized aluminum, and the full unit weighs 13.5 pounds. Inside, it uses 5 double-sealed bearings, which help the carriage move cleanly during height changes. One standout detail is the cam locking system. You can reach the lock from above the table using the same crank handle, and it helps stop movement from vibration once the height is set. The adjustable clamping blocks are useful too, since they let it fit many fixed-base routers without needing a separate adapter collar. It can handle routers from 1 3/4 HP up to 3 HP. Setup may take extra care, since the table opening has to be cut correctly. For the right router and table, this is the pick for serious control, easy bit changes, and a clean top-tier setup. That's it for this look at the best router lifts. By comparing fit, control, and value, the right pick should be easier to spot. Before you go, check out the other videos on the channel for more product picks. Thanks for sticking around, and I'll catch you in the next guide.